1969 Chevrolet Corvette in Fathom green, coupe, big block, 4-speed, side pipe. This is one looker here, folks. Really sweet ride. It's got the 427 hood. 69 is one of my favorite C3 Corvettes. I think it just has the styling all going on. Rally wheels, radial Cobra tires, aftermarket side pipes, mind you, but still nice to have. Big polished headers built into them. Lovely interior, black vinyl. We're gonna fire it up here for you. It is a nice May day here in Denver, Colorado. Great classic car weather we have out here. You can almost drive these year round. All right, there you go. So this vehicle has a non-matching built 454 big block. Has a nice size cam in it. Runs really strong, sounds really good. Power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes. Of course, you got your 4-speed there. You got your vents that slide and open easily. That's your heater fan, that turns on. Because of the cam, the wiper door, and the headlights are a little slow to open, but they do open. So there's your headlights. You can see that they both opened. We're going to close them now. And they close. Alright, wipers here. There goes your wiper door. And voila. And the door closes now. Do have to rev it up a little. Maybe you're driving down the road, it'd probably be a little bit quicker. A little slower when you're just idling. And we do have no horn. Doesn't surprise me. Most of the horns in these older cars don't seem to work anymore. Nice stereo. You got a book of records back here, and you have nice speakers mounted behind you. They sound really good. Open up behind you when you get out of this car. You do not want to burn your leg on that. So make sure you keep that in mind when you get out of it. Alright, super clean engine bay. That is a 454 big block. Definitely has a cam in it. You can hear it. Strong running motor, hot ignition, nice header system. Got a Holly style carburetor. Power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes. There's your MSD box over there. Nice custom shroud around the radiator. Super clean. Moving on to the paint and body. This is a driver quality plus. Overall, it's not perfect. but it's not too bad either. Shows really nice. I mean, see it out here in the sun, just glistening. You can see right there, someone probably buffed through the paint a little bit. Again, not horrible. You got a little touch up right here. And this front nose part is a little wavy. I think you can see it in the video there. That appears to only be on this front nose section. The rest of the car doesn't seem to have that. But yeah, pretty wavy on the front. As you go towards the back, not nearly as bad. A few little cracks right there. Has a really nice lope to it on the exhaust. Lovely interior again. Door closes nice. You do have a chip right there near the door handle. I'm going to rev this up so you can hear these side pipes goes. It's warmed up a little bit. Really strong running machine. You got one more spot. Right in there. Looks like maybe also someone did that with the buffer. And then there's a spot here. Right here, there's some work in the fiberglass under the paint. You can see a little line there. And right there. So again, paint body overall shows really nice, but not perfect by any means. If you're interested in this big block, 4-speed, 69 coupe, please scroll down. Well, the link in the description take you right to our website. There you can find the asking price, undercarriage pictures. Oh, and with those undercarriage pictures, I forgot to mention, this does have upgraded rack and pinion steering in the front. Super tight going down the road. Very responsive steering. Very nice upgrade that was done to this car. So keep an eye out for that in the undercarriage photos. You'll see that in the pictures. And again, you can find all of that on our website. That is carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.